Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing a daily challenge from Bugforge. Today challenge is Ottergram and it's from broken access control. This is type of easy challenge. They do it daily. Open a tab, make sure it's not you. Persistent log, of course, is a login. We can try register in your name. Uh, what's going on? Password 123, and of course you log in here and you can see we have users. Of course, check your network. What's important we have here, only guest request. The post request is just the registration. Though when we log in you can see comment there, and you have look at this double auto, so cute. I love auto. And if you go back, the question is look for the comment endpoint, and the response is the most important. The way that the response it reveal the IDs and all of that. So cute, created and all that. So we have username admin, for example. So we got that information, all the data you can see there already. So the question is what happened with the profile. The profile endpoint, it go to the name of the user, a request, the header, it's called profile, the name of the user, and the response to get you all the info, to get you ID1, so the auto is ID2, username there, you have the email, you have full, you have the picture, you have user ID, and also this user number 2. And then we have edit the profile, you can edit profile and change, for example, test. And that one, it get to endpoint, put request, a request you can see, and interesting, it has an ID on it. So the question does, is there a session check, who sent the form, or it can change other user, but other user requests, and you can see the response. So we can intercept this one and we can just edit and resend. So when you remember, we have user ID 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the question, can we change? Let's start with 1. 1 is not admin, is the OTA, and he said, for example, full name, let's say, because he said I like OTA, I said I like, let's change, I like cat. Cats are the best. 1. Can we change, for example, number 2, the admin, like dogs, for example. Uh, who's number 3? We did number 3. Let's change all of them. Can we change them? For name, likewise, what I say, cat, birds. So, to another question, did this change? Now let's go to our room and see, did we change anything? So, of course, you don't see it, you need to click on them. So let's see this guy. And we got the flag, because when you change I like cat, I like that, it mean we got the flag because we did some change. We did change the admin, I like dogs, we changed that one. So that's why he said, the room said to you the hint, he said broken access control, because when you do an update and you send an ID, normally you're not working with ID, you're supposed to work with a session. When the form of the profile is supposed to change and said uh, edit your profile, it should be a session. You don't send ID, you check the session, who's logged in, and then from the login session you know who's logged in. You don't send an ID there. That's why we change. Let's say, where's the other guy? The last one is C Ota fan, and also we change that one, so we can, anyone you change it you get the flag. So that's exactly what this room is. In real life you don't do this, but it's good learning to intercept and things. That's why I like this platform. Another thing is the admin is default admin 123. By the way, 123, you can log in it and you can see the admin panel. So admin 123 as user, so, and you can see all of that, and you can see the profile, and you can see we've been able to add it edit. So there's nothing special about this room. The room is basically is to realize that there's an ID gets sent when updating sorry guys, when you update the form. That's it. So there's nothing special about room. This is a broken access control type of room. Thank you very much everybody. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.